How did we get here? Kaizer Chiefs are no longer a cup
specialist.
What happened?
No, look, yabona singayiblame i-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Thina ku-easy baba uMntungwa ukublame i-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Singayibheki ilokunje. I-competition.
Oh yeah.
Ne-standard to other teams.
Yeah.
I will still say that i-Chiefs ayifanga. I-Chiefs ayikaphumi leyo mindset kuyo.
Yeah.
Abasenawo lo yamqondo, basenayo leya belief, but yabona into eyenzekile.
Yeah.
Kukhule lokho besingacabanganga ukuthi siyakhula. Ungayi-champ elokishini.
Yeah.
Waziwe as one of the champions kwi-boxing or anything.
Yes.
Ukhohle ukuthi kune-development ye-generation ezayo.
Oh yeah, iza nomunye umqondo.
When Chiefs was winning cup, bekunabo Hellenic,
yeah.
Dynamos,
yes.
Celtics.
Yeah.
Zaphuma lezo, kwafika Marumo, kwafika Jomo Cosmos,
yes.
kwafika obani. Baphuma labo,
yeah.
kwafika Chippa United,
yeah.
kwafika Cape Town Spurs, zahamba i-Ajax Cape Town.
Yes.
So kuye kwachange teams,
yeah.
Change system,
yeah.
Develop a new players, develop a new style of play. The problem with Chiefs ke manje ayifunanga ithathe isikhathi ulese ayifunanga ithathe isikhathi ukumove kule yanto because of now seyihleli lana ukuthi size